Managing sales orders. When you have a high quantity of customer transactions to track and you need to manage the inventory involved in those transactions, or you would like to reserve various quantities of goods, the best solution may be to use sales orders. For example, let's say you have sales inquiry and need to reserve a specific quantity of that product. Go to Sales, then Reserves, click Add Reserve. Choose the warehouse from the drop-down list where the inventory you're reserving is located. Then you need to specify to whom you'll be selling. Start typing the customer's name and choose the one you need from the drop-down list, or create a new customer. The system will take the new transaction with this client into account and recalculate your total outstanding payments and receivables. If you have a client that you know is going to be a one-time buyer and you don't want to fully add them to your system, feel free to choose the Retail Client type and input any name you want. To add a product to your reservation, go to the Goods section and start typing in the name of the product. Then, choose the product you need in the drop-down list or create a new one. If needed, choose a grade. Specify the quantity and selling price. If you're offering a discount, specify what percentage or fixed value you'd like your discount to be. Specify the VAT rate. The final sale price will automatically be recalculated to factor in this rate. Finally, click Save to complete the reservation. After that, you'll be able to see the number of booked products on the balance sheet.